Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your phone to a Fiat 500. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on and set to discoverable. Next, power on your Fiat 500's ignition to activate the Uconnect system. On the car's display, navigate to the Settings menu. From there, select Bluetooth and then choose the Pair Device option to start the connection process. This initial step prepares both your phone and your car for seamless communication. Once your phone is searching, look for your Fiat 500's Uconnect system in the list of available devices and select it. A 6-digit PIN will appear on both your phone and the car's screen. Confirm these numbers match. After successful pairing, your phone will likely ask for permission to sync contacts and call history. Granting this allows for full hands-free functionality, making your driving experience safer and more convenient. For charging and direct media playback, a USB connection is a great alternative. Find the USB port, usually located in the center console or glove box. Connect your phone using a certified USB cable. Your phone will immediately begin charging, and you might see a prompt for data access. On the Uconnect system, simply select USB as your audio source to enjoy your music directly through the car's speakers. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the Uconnect system often resolves them. It's also a good idea to delete any old or unused pairings from both devices to prevent conflicts. Always ensure your phone's operating system is updated to its latest version for optimal compatibility. For specific details unique to your Fiat 500 model, always refer to your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.